So I'm just loosening them up because I didn't want to put it in the air and have to do that and shake everything while breaking everything. So yeah. All right, we got the wheel off, we got the caliper off. Well, part of the caliper. Now I gotta get the caliper bracket. Gotta take the pads out. Already loosened the bolts for the caliper bracket. And yeah, then we can pull the caliper bracket, pull the rotor, and then we should be able to pop them out. We got our caliper bracket out. It's just 217s. They're not even in there that tight. I guess the rear brake's not that high of a torque spec. Right there. Now we gotta get this guy off. You can use 2 screws to screw in here and push against the hub, and it pushes it off. I could not for the life of me get this rotor off just banging it. It wants 2 screws that they don't give you anywhere. It wants you to have them, so I got some. It's definitely the easy way to do it. It's the way they want you to do it. All right, so that's a nice little gap right here for it to come out the back, right there. And we'll just bang her out. One done. On to the next one, which is that one. Put her up there, fill in the back, get a little magnet, pull her out. Oh, it's way back there. Oh, jeez. Oh, nice. All right, 2 on this side. Let's get the new ones in. Just to somehow feed this guy back through there. And got him fed through. Oh wait, it's this one. That little spot is the best for feeding them through on the bottom. Top is where I banged it out, but that bottom you get more of a gap right there. Goes way through. Alright, so now we gotta use this guy to get him on. And get that guy on just like that. And then we're gonna tighten her up and it'll pull it on. Oh, nice. The stud is working as a stop. It's pressing against that, so I don't really want to do that. But yeah, just tighten her on down, just like that. It was going in at an angle. You want to make sure it's nice and straight like that. All right, we got that one seated. Now it's that one's turn. And now we're gonna throw the rotor back on and then put the brakes back on. We got the brakes back on, rotor back on. We got the 217s torqued to 50 foot-pounds, the 214s torqued to 20, and everything looks good.